Hello, this is our last video presentation for the semester. This will be about factor by grouping, and it's rather a simple method. It'll seem kind of strange, but it is simple. Number one, you want to factor common factors, out of groups. Now, we're only going to do this with polynomials with 4 terms. But we could do it with polynomials with 5, polynomials with 6. We won't do that. So we're going to group these two together and these two together. And we're going to take the greatest common factor of these two, x squared, times 2x plus 3, plus the greatest common factor of these two, 2 times 2x plus 3. All I did is take the greatest common factor out of the first two, greatest common factor out of the second two. Notice that these two factors are the same. Then we factor again. Two x plus 3 and 2x plus 3 is a common factor. And when we pull that out, we're left with x squared plus 2. And we're done. That's it. You factor out a common factor out of two groups, and then you factor that common factor out. Let's look at another example. All right, here's our second example. 6x squared minus 15x squared. Oops, my example is screwed up. That should be a cubed. Minus 15x squared minus 2x plus 5. We look at the first two. Common factor is 3x squared times 2x minus 5. We have a minus here, so it's minus 2x, and it's really a negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Notice that this and this are the same, just like it was before. This and this was the same. If it isn't the same, you can't use this method. So, we then factor the common factor out, the 2x minus 5, and the 2x minus 5 is common. And we're left with 3x squared minus 1. Kerchunk, we're done. You can multiply it out, doesn't matter. As long as you follow the procedure, it's going to work. All right, we're going to do one more just so you can practice. All right, what I want you to do is pause the video, do this on your own, and then if you get stuck, watch the video until you figure out what you got stuck on, and then continue on your own. Try to do this as much as you can on your own. Hopefully you pause the video and finish this. All right, number one, we're going to group these and get the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor here, 2x squared times 2 times 5, and I need an x, minus 2 minus, common factor here is 2, times 2 times 5x, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. 5x minus 2 is common, and we're left with 2x squared minus 2. And we're done. That's it. Possibly the easiest way there is to factor. You don't have to look for combinations, just have to pay attention to signs. All right, it's been great. First semester is now done except for the exam. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you.